So hello fellow coin collectors, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a mail call. These are items that I have purchased, and well, I know I've purchased a few things but I'm not too sure what the hell they are. So let's get into it. The good thing about purchasing coins and banknotes is that you can get so many varieties and also so many prices. So if you're buying a lot of coins and banknotes, shop around, because you'll find you'll get good grades for a good price, but you'll also find that you will get bad grades for a bad price. So let's have a look. I've been collecting these ones, all these C mint marks. These say 2017, and as you can see, the C mint mark, that's actually, the coin's okay, but the cavalry is actually a lot better. I think I've done another video on these, I'm not too sure. And at the moment you can actually still get these for $15 if you look around, but that will soon run out, sooner or later, because, well, as soon as the $15 ones are sold out, the price goes up. Okay, PO boxes, I don't mind showing those addresses because they're PO boxes. And this is actually a coin seller. Yeah, so get the P, if you can get the C mint marks for $15, then do it. And I have another one. Awesome. So they generally go up in price after a few years. So it's been 2 years for those, and they still haven't gone up in price. And here I have some coins from someone I get quite often. I purchase off quite often. And whoa, what have I got? Got some Fiji. That's what I got. Fiji coin set. This is pretty high grade, which is pretty hard to get Fiji. And I dropped one. Okay, and the coin that I'll drop is another Fiji 5 cent. They are still in circulation, and ooh, this is actually a nice lot that I got here. So I have some a Fiji lot. Oh, they're falling out. So I have this is the first year of issuance of the 50 cent coin from Fiji. It's a little bit damaged, but it's better grade than I've actually got before, 1975. And before that year, they actually used a 50 cent banknote, which is pretty odd because not many countries use banknotes in the lower 50s. The current one is Bermuda. They actually issue a $50, and that's more likely just for tourist value. And I have a lot of other coins, so I got some pre-decimals from Fiji, which I don't have. So I've got one in brass, copper, nickel. As you can see, the penny is different than the Australian one. And I've got some Fiji, 20 cent piece, it's a 50 cent, Singapore 50 cent piece. Yeah, generally I don't need to see both sides of the coins to know where it's come from if it's a modern coin. If it's an older coin, then a lot of them actually get tricky to identify. So here we have some Fijian current coins, got a shilling, threepence, and their threepence is pretty much similar to the United Kingdom. 1 and 2 cent coins, sixpence, halfpenny. As you can see, the halfpenny is hold. Let me get it out and have a closer look. 1951. So the Australian pennies wouldn't have circulated there because they're not the same. So there you go. Nice beautiful penny. And on the other side, it's just there is no effigy, it's just the crown, King George VI. So not bad. The effigy was on the other coins, the higher denominations. So it's nice. And I have some Singapore coins. I actually sold off all my Singapore coins, and then I saw this one going, yeah, might as well get that one. 1968, $1. They actually used a banknote back then, so these ones wouldn't really have circulated much. And here we have some other coins. Is that upside down? No. So this includes all of the coin series. So the coin series, which is the first one, which is that series. And that was from 1967 to 1985. Then from 1986 to 2012 was this series here. So that series actually was the flower series. And the current ones are these ones here. So we've got the $1, 10, 20, 10, 20, 50 cent, and where's the 5 cent? 5 cent is one of them. Maybe if I... see, this is what happens when you film plastic. It just goes dark. And here's the current 5 cent coin. So I'll make another video on these because they're quite nice. So that is awesome. I actually like this $1 coins. Awesome. And you get two different types of 50 cent. One with the reeded, one with the lettering. So the latest one that was issued had the lettering, and also the coat of arms of Singapore is different as well. So that is nice. But these are pretty much high minted, so really they're only worth collecting if you need it for your collection. Want a set. 1982, 10 cent from the first series. And this one has a seahorse on it. And the highest denomination issued by Fiji in the pre-decimal series, the florin. So I think they stopped issuing coins between 1943 and 1953, I think. That's just, is that, or 51 from memory. So just remember, your memory is fallible, so you need to write things down. And so before that they were actually silver, and after that they issued them in copper and nickel, because, well, a lot of countries were withdrawing the silver. So anyway, that is an awesome coin set that I got. I'd like to say thank you very much, and I'd like to know down below what new coins you actually have, because it's very interesting to hear what people are currently collecting. Thank you, and have awesome coin collecting time, people.